This is another short video walking down the main street in Chapala. You can see the rain falling in the street. Lots of rain. Raining hard. Look at the cars splashing. Yeah. Water running down the street. See, there's no drains on these streets, so the water just runs down the street and into the lake. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, and my feet are wet and I'm just going to continue going. People riding their bicycles on the sidewalk today. Yeah, there goes a cab through the water. The water's running across right there.